Hi there! So here's another smartwatch from the Zebronics factory, the Zebfit7220CH. Now it comes with a phone calling feature, which I believe is something everyone wants in a smartwatch in 2021. It's priced at just $3,499 and there's also a metal strap variant for just $3,999. Looks like a really good deal. So let's quickly unbox it, see how it looks, how it performs, so you can decide if you should buy this or not. Alright, let's begin. So here is the retail packaging of the Zebfit7220CH. Now the reason I have two is because one of them is black, so this one is black and this one is gold. So we'll unbox both of them and see how they look. You have a long list of features on the back. Towards the front you can see the image of the watch. It also mentions it comes with call function feature. Towards the bottom are the manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $7,499. And on the other side you can see the QR code for the companion Zebfit 20 app. It's available on the Android Play Store and the iOS App Store. So without wasting a single second, let's quickly unbox it. And here's the black one. Inside you have the magnetic proprietary charger and the user manual. Let's open the other one. Oh wow, that looks actually nice. So that's got a pink strap, golden body, really nice. And similarly a user manual and a charger. Alright, let's have a closer look at it. But first let's get rid of the stickers so that we can have a better look at the watch. So wow, that looks nice. Square dials, and the best part is that it comes with a metal build. Yes, you can see that on the side. That's a metal build which not only looks premium but is also a lot more sturdy. Now this watch weighs around 50 grams with the straps, which is pretty decent for a metal built watch. Let's keep one on the side and have a closer look at it. So nice golden frame, you can see there. Comes with a nice pink silicone strap, more like flamingo pink. Buckle design, and it comes with a chrome buckle with Zebronics branding. I would have really loved it was color coordinated gold. It would have been next level. But anyway, on the side here you can see a single button with a red accent to it. Towards the back, so the back is actually made of plastic. You can see the charging terminals, you can see the sensors right in the center. On the side here is the speaker. If you look closely you can see the speaker, and at the bottom here you can see the microphone. So the mic and speaker can be used for phone calls, and this strap can be replaced with any 22mm straps really easily thanks to that hook mechanism. Really nice and convenient. Pretty solid, I'd say. I'm really impressed with the build quality. Looks really solid and clean. Let's have a close look at the black one as well quickly. So nice black frame, again metal of course, deep black straps, really soft silicone, chrome buckle. I would have loved to see this being black. Anyway, that would be nitpicking. Nice straps, same plastic back, same charging terminals and the sensors, speaker, microphone, button on the side with a red accent. Really nice, clean looking watch. Alright, let's pair it quickly and see. Okay, let's take the watch, press this button on the side and hold for a second. It'll vibrate. There you're welcome with the Zebronics branding logo. You go to the Zebfit app, come to add device, and there you see Zebfit7220CH. Click. And there you go, you're done. It's already paired. That's amazing. Super convenient. Alright, so once it's paired to the app, let's set it up for phone calls. So you go right and you'll see an option which says Bluetooth on for phone calls. Turn this on, please pair with Bluetooth. You go back to your phone, and this time you go into the settings app, you go into Bluetooth, and you go all the way down and you'll find Zebfit7220CH C877. Now this is the connection for Bluetooth for phone calls. Click pair and you're done. Alright, let's look at the app now. Swipe right and you can access call records, dial pad and contact. Now let's go into dial pad and we're just dialing a random number and we're clicking on dial. There you go. It's making a call from the watch. Now this is the sound you're hearing from the watch speaker. It's really clear for a watch speaker. You can even control the volume from here. Wow, that's really clear and loud. You can also mute from here. You can also mute the microphone from here or reject the call directly from your watch. It's really responsive. Similarly, if you receive a phone call, you will see the caller's name and even the watch will ring. Right now, this ring sound that you're hearing is actually from the watch speaker. So you can answer the call or reject the call directly from your watch. And if you answer, you can actually even talk. That's the best part. You can control the volume, you can hang up the call, you can even mute the microphone on the watch. So you've got all the controls for phone calls directly on your watch. Briefly tested for a phone call and the call quality was pretty good indoors. It was clear and audible both ways. But remember, using the watch for phone calls will drastically reduce the battery life. Less than half actually. Now if you don't want to use your watch for phone calls, you simply swipe from the top and you can turn off this phone calling feature. So now, if there is an incoming call, there won't be any notification on your watch. Just perfect for those office meetings. So I wore the watch and it feels really comfortable and provides a very good fit. Also, the raise the wrist to wake the display is quite responsive. Worth mentioning, the screen on time on this watch is just 5 seconds and cannot be changed. Now when you raise the wrist, you see the time, but the display turns off in just 5 seconds, which might not be enough for many. Now my guess is this was done to save battery life, but there should have been an option to increase the screen on time. The watch comes with IPX7 rating, so splashes, rain and sweat is fine, but it's not recommended to be worn in the pool. Alright, let's check out the display. So it comes with a 1.75-inch LCD display, which is almost edge to edge. You can see that watch face going all the way to the corners, which is really nice. It also comes with a curved glass, which gives it a really nice premium look as well. Now let's change our watch face and see. Now here you can see the color reproduction is pretty good, the text is clear and really sharp. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. So if you swipe right, you can see all your app icons right here. And if this is very familiar because this is like that Apple Watch design, and you can see all your apps directly from here. Really cool. Then further swipe from up to access your quick toggles, the phone feature, the brightness, and check this out. It gets really bright. Let's keep it to minimal. Okay, then the weather. Then this is an option if you want to change the menu style from Hive to list. And I personally prefer the list format because it's a lot more easier. There you go. You can see so much more. The first one is your pedometer. Then you have your sleep monitoring. Then you have your heart rate, fitness tracking. Then you have your phone calling feature. Then you have your blood pressure monitoring, SpO2, weather, your notifications and messages, your camera shutter option, music player to control music. This is a breathe app. Then here's the stopwatch, alarms. Then you have countdown, a torch where the display becomes bright. And here are the watch faces, 4 watch faces that come pre-installed. We can install more from the app. There you see, pretty bright and vibrant. And finally, in settings. In settings, you can adjust the brightness. You can turn on and off Bluetooth for phone calls. You can reset the Bluetooth, vibration alerts, do not disturb, theater mode where there will be no notifications and it will dim the display. The switch dial is for watch faces, reset, power off, app QR code, and about. Now further, if you go here, you can access all your phones. You can control the music that's playing on your phone, your pedometer, your sleep tracking, your heart rate, blood pressure, SpO2, weather. Really nice. Further down are notifications. So the interface is pretty easy to use. You also have the list format, you have the Hive format. It's really easy to use. Let's check out the fitness tracking modes. There you go, walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football. Not too many, but a mix of good indoor and outdoor workouts. And when you start your workout, when you suppose click on it, it starts a countdown and it'll show you the time, the calories burned, the heart rate. I also briefly wore it for a short walk. The pedometer seemed to count the steps quite accurately. It's good for casual workout tracking. So let's see if the heart rate sensor is tracking when kept on the table. Okay, so it says please wear and try again. So let's wear it. Alright, let's test it again. There you go. Finally, we get a reading. Going back, let's check out the SpO2. Also worth mentioning that while it's measuring the SpO2, there's actually just a green LED light. There's no red light here. So we can't be really sure about its accuracy. And it's displaying 98%. So take this with a pinch of salt. Let's go to blood pressure. And there you go, 119/74. Couldn't be more perfect. Overall, the interface is okay, sometimes laggy. It's not the most smoothest, but yes, gets the job done. Coming to the battery. So the watch comes with a 210 mAh battery and Zebronics claims 7 days with typical use. But considering it has a huge 1.7-inch display, my guess is it should last for around 4 to 5 days. And as I said before, expect it to be 2 to 3 days if you're using it for phone calls. Alright, let's check out the app interface. So obviously on the first page is a summary of all your workouts, your steps taken, sleep tracking, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, outdoor workouts, everything. If you go into the second option is where you can actually have more settings for your watch. It will show you the battery percentage. Here if you go in, it will show you the watch faces. You can change from 4 pre-installed ones from here, and if you want more, you come here and there you go. There is a pretty good option of watch faces. Wow, that's really good. It's really good. Okay, let's put something and see. Okay, let's use the pineapples. Okay, download. Okay, check this out. So we have the new watch face right here. Looks pretty nice. Amazing edge-to-edge design. Okay, further you can actually even custom set an image from your phone gallery where you can preset a lot of other things. You can even choose the text color, you can choose the image, picture of your choice. Then further down you have an option to choose from notifications from which app you want and from which apps you don't. Then you have options to set alarms directly from here. Then shutter option, favorite contacts, others. In others you have find device, you can change the time format, the unit system, do not disturb, reminders to move, continuous heart rate detection, language, auto lock, reset, quick view, drink water reminder, weather, and upgrades. Sadly, there is no option to share data with Google Fit or Strava. Alright, so the Zeb Fit7220CH is a good budget smartwatch with a big display for those looking for casual tracking and even the phone calling feature. It's not perfect, but then it's giving you already more than your money's worth. The Zeb Fit7220CH is priced at $3,499. With the metal strap, you can get this for $3,999. It's going on sale from today. I'll leave the links for all the colors and the variants in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!
Audio Jungle.